Hey, what's up, Tony? I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how you reassemble that damaged valve that you got there. I'm sorry to hear shipping's so brutal. So here we go. I'm going to take this thing apart real quick so we can kind of see in reverse what happens here. It's kind of easy to put back together. I suppose it's a dexterity thing, depending on how dexterous you are. So I'm going to remove this piece, if possible. Essentially, this is the top of the contactor rocker that you've seen. And right here is the little piece that fell off that you were showing me. So what we're going to want to do is get the spring hooked back up onto this, just like we see here. Maybe even take a pair of pliers and pinch it right there. And where this rests on the unit is like this. It sticks in there and rocks right on these little pivots. See how it kind of toggles in there? Just kind of rests inside of there like that, to where it can toggle. Now you see these little sharp points here? These sharp points nest inside these little greased pivots that you'll see here. 1, 2. It goes just like this. You see there how it's kind of rocking in that pivot? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece. Make sure you're in frame here. We're going to insert it in here like this. We're going to press our thumb on it like that. And we're going to try and capture the spring into that little hole right there where I'm pointing. Okay? So here we go. Let's see if I can get it on the first try. Uh-oh, I'm losing it. Pliers may be the most adequate means of accomplishing this. Right there, and I got it. But I'm out of connection right there, so. Okay, I'm in. Now you see how I'm attached there? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these points here, that sharp point, and we're gonna pull this straight forward and latch it together. Now you see how we are rocking inside of those pivots right there? Okay, so we're almost there. What we'll do now is we're going to put this into the closed position. You basically just screw that other piece back on at this point, but I got a little carried away there. No sense in me being graceful or nothing. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. Man, I'll be on the assembly line before you know it here. This probably isn't the way they do it at the factory. Okay, so that's preloaded. I do know that you got to make sure you slide this top cap here over your contact. So that goes this way. Bring the contacts into position to where your boot is slid over that. Okay, it's really fighting me. I'm gonna try to finish this before this song's over. That was the goal. I had it. I'm not gonna lose this fight. Okay, we're getting serious now. Oh man. UPS. Thanks for nothing. So there you go, Tony. I am sorry, brother, that for whatever reason they weren't able to ship that to you without tearing it up. I can't imagine how that thing came out of there, but nonetheless, they figured it out for us, didn't they?